Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can schedule night shift to turn on or off automatically on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings screen, scroll down and then tap on Display and Brightness. Next, scroll down and then tap on Night Shift. In here, tap on Scheduled. Then tap on From To. And in here, you can schedule to automatically turn on or turn off night shift between sunset to sunrise. Or you can select a custom schedule time. So in here, you choose what time night shift will turn on by tapping on the turn on button. In here, you can choose a time. So let's say we can choose to turn on night shift at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. And we're going to turn it off at 6 a.m. in the morning. And that's it. So your phone will automatically turn on night shift between 8 to 6 in the morning. And this will be on a daily basis. And that's it. Otherwise, you can choose between sunset or sunrise. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings screen or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.